Morning everyone. Ayun, this is Jennifer Castro. Welcome to the vlog. Because I will be introduced for the Fast Talk with Christian Ode. Yes, the vlogger of the Bugarts. Today, I will be introduced for the Fast Talk for 20 questions, but this is a funny question. So please subscribe the YouTube channel, the Jennifer Castro Talk channel, and my page, follow the interview with Jennifer Castro. Okay? Are you ready to Fast Talk?
Ready.
Okay, ready ha? Balas lang ra. Okay, you have 2 minutes to answer. In 2 minutes, your timer starts now. Okay, football or basketball?
Football.
Football. Mayor or pare? Ay, Mario or pare?
Pare.
Video games or music?
Music.
Chinita, mestiza.
Chinita.
Shy or aggressive?
Aggressive.
Good girl, bad girl.
Same.
Pretty face or sexy body?
Same.
Mangga or santol?
Mangga.
Hakbay o hawak kamay?
Hawak kamay.
Brian Bang or Jong Hilario?
Jong Hilario.
Kailan ka nagigising?
9.
Kailan nag-selfie ka sa isang araw?
Once time.
What's your bad habit?
Bad habit.
Ano bad habit ba? Sige, favorite tattoo? Wow, sexiest part of your body?
Sexiest part of my body.
Sexiest your part of your body? Wow. Pinakamaganda babae sa Pilipinas? Ikaw! Wow. Pinakamagwapo sa kasama mo?
Toto.
Wow. Kung basketball player ka, sino gusto matriple sa'yo?
Si Paning.
Saan ka hindi magaling?
Sa wala. Tao kaya.
Tanan.
Wow. Anong tunog ng puso sa wig?
Puso sa wig.
Tuwing kailan ka pinakagwapo?
Araw-araw.
Araw-araw. Hindi.
Wow. Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Kailan ka nagsinungaling?
Kanina.
Sex or chocolates?
Chocolates.
Best time for sex? Anytime, morning, afternoon.
Alas 12 yan.
Okay, parutan. See you to our next 4 episode. Bye!